Hi guys, welcome back. This is Iti and today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 makeup setting sprays, and these are all from affordable to high-end products, and I will mention all the prices starting from the lowest to the highest. So without further ado, let's start the video. So starting with the first one, which is the most affordable one, this is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer Spray, and I absolutely love this because it is really fine and it has a really fine mist, and also for the fact that it is a continuous spray, you don't have to continuously pump and pump. Just hold it once like this and it will keep flowing, if you can see, and that's the best part about it. And also this is very lightweight. Like, you just need to apply it once or even twice and it will not just sit on your face. It's very fast absorbing. It will absorb very quickly into the skin and make your skin like really dewy and glowy. But do remember that the glowy and the dewiness will not stay for very long. If you feel like your makeup turns dry after some time or right after application, then use this. It will keep the moisture on your face and it will not make your makeup look dry or cakey or anything. So use this to actually set your makeup into place and to make sure your skin does not look flaky or dry. Okay, so moving on to the second one, this is the Morphe X Joffrey Star Set and Refresh Mist, and this is a new launch. And okay, so these two are exactly the same. I mean, for me, they both have a continuous setting spray like this. You just need to hold it and it will come in a flow, if you can see. And that's the best part about setting sprays. They just, a continuous mist setting spray is the best, and I always try to buy and look out for those. So these two are exactly the same, although this is such a pretty fragrance. Like, it'll make you it'll take you back to your childhood when you just smell strawberry candies or anything. So that's what it's like. Again, this has the same functions as the PAC one. It will really set your face and will not make your makeup look dry or cakey. It will not give you a luminosity or glow to your face. However, it will set your makeup in place and make sure everything is blended properly and in sync with your face, and that's what it does. It's not like a dewy or a matte kind of a spray. It will just set your makeup in place and hold it for 7 to 8 hours. So moving on to the last one, this is my ultimate favorite. This is the iconic London Prep Set Glow, and this is the most expensive one that I have. I'm looking for some kind of a spray that will give your face like a luminous kind of a look, that dewy wet look, then this is what you need. I'm sure you've heard a lot about this and it is definitely worth the hype. You can look how pretty it looks and how sparkling crystals it has. It will really make your face bounce, and when it hits the sunlight, your face will look like it's actually dipped in gold and it's wet or something. I'm going to spray it on my hand and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this one is not a continuous mist setting spray. You have to keep pumping it to make sure there is product. So this is what it looks like on my hand. If what it looks like, I will also show it to you under sunlight for the exact kind of portrayal of what the spray actually is like. So these were my top 3 setting sprays, and I hope you found this video helpful and you were able to decide what kind of spray to take for what type of a look on your face. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and follow us on Instagram for different content on fashion, beauty and skincare. You'll be amazed to see the kind of videos we do on Instagram. So do follow us, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them.